Hi, Zara. How are you today?
Hi, Blake. How are you today?
Hi, Blake. I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm good too. And hello, everyone. Welcome.
Yes, welcome. We are happy you are here.
My name is Blake. I'm your English friend today.
And my name is Zara. I'm your English friend too.
Today, we will talk about weather.
Yes, simple weather English. Very useful in daily life.
Have you ever walked outside and, surprise, the weather is different? Oh.
Oh, yes. Yesterday I went out without a jacket.
And then?
It was cold. I said, "Oh no, I'm not ready."
I know that feeling. Weather can surprise us.
And in English, people talk about weather a lot.
Yes, with friends, classmates, coworkers, and neighbors.
It's an easy, friendly topic.
In this lesson, you will learn simple weather words.
Like sunny, rainy, cloudy, and windy.
You will also learn easy weather questions.
And natural answers you can use right away.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Beginner-friendly English.
Don't worry, you can learn step by step.
Yes, step by step. You can do it.
Let's do a tiny warm-up.
Okay, ready?
Today is sunny.
Oh, nice. Sunny weather makes me feel happy.
Later, you can repeat key weather words with us.
And now, quick question for you.
What is the weather like where you are right now?
Think about it, just in your mind.
You know, Zara, weather is a very easy topic.
Yes, it helps us start a conversation, even with strangers.
Like at school, you see someone and you say, "How's the weather?"
Or in the office, in the morning, people say it fast and simple.
On a bus, too, or in a small shop.
True, and honestly, sometimes I feel shy.
Me too. When I feel shy, weather talk helps me. It feels safe. So we can ask simple questions like, "What's the weather like today?"
Or, is it hot or cold?
Or, "Will it rain today?"
These are real, everyday weather questions people really ask.
And short answers are okay.
Yes, you can say, "It's sunny."
Or, "It's cold."
If you feel nervous speaking English, that is normal.
Very normal.
Small sentences are still good English.
Yes, simple English is real English.
Okay, now let's describe today's weather.
This morning, I woke up and I looked outside.
What did you see?
The sky was light and blue. The air felt cool.
I like that.
I stepped outside and I said, "It's a nice day."
My morning was different. I opened my window and wow,
Wow. Oh.
the sky was gray. The air felt heavy. It felt like rain.
Weather can change our mood, right?
Yes, sunny days give me energy. Rainy days make me slow.
Oh, let's keep it simple.
Yes, short patterns.
It's sunny.
It's cloudy.
It's windy.
It's rainy.
And cool means not cold, not hot, just a little cold.
Yes, easy words, easy meaning, no stress.
Funny story, today I wore a thick sweater.
Oh no.
Then it got warm. I was like, I'm melting.
Oh, wrong clothes day.
Now you try in your mind. Imagine you step outside.
Choose one simple sentence.
It's blank.
What is it for you today?
Now let's talk about temperature.
Yes, hot, cold, warm, and cool. Very common words.
I remember one very hot day. I could not sleep well. Oh no.
My bed felt hot. The air felt hot. Even my food felt too heavy.
In hot weather, I also don't want big meals.
And travel? It was hard. I felt slow.
I'm different. I like cool weather. I feel comfortable.
Really? Oh.
Yes. In cool weather, I can walk more. I don't feel tired fast.
So in hot weather, I drink cold water.
And I wear a light shirt.
In cold weather, I wear a jacket.
And I drink something warm, like tea.
Quick, easy meaning. Hot is very warm.
Yes. Warm is nice, not too hot.
And cold is very cold.
Cool is a little cold, not too cold.
Extreme weather can give me a headache.
Same. So we talk about it with friends. It's normal. Okay, rainy days and plans. This happens a lot.
Yes, rain can change everything.
One time, I planned a picnic. I was excited.
Aw, sounds nice.
Then I looked outside. Dark clouds. And then rain.
Oh no.
Oh no! Picnic ruined.
I said, it's raining. We can't go.
I understand. I planned to go shopping once. And then rain?
Yes, big rain. I stayed home and felt a little annoyed.
That's so real.
People talk about rain a lot in daily English.
You can say, it's raining.
Or ask, will it rain today?
And you can react, oh no, or oh nice.
Some people feel happy about rain.
Some people feel inconvenienced. Both are normal.
Also, it's okay to change plans because of weather.
Yes, super common in English.
And to you watching, even with few words, you can say your plan.
Simple English is enough.
Like, I will stay home. It's raining.
Perfect. Simple and clear. Now, let's describe the sky and the air.
Yes, windy, cloudy, sunny. Simple and useful.
On a windy day, my hair goes everywhere. Like a wild movie scene.
And dust can fly in my eyes. I feel like, hey, stop. Oh,
Wind can also break my umbrella. Oh, poor umbrella.
yes, wind is not always friendly.
So we can say, it's windy today.
Or, it's cloudy. That means we see many clouds.
And it's sunny means the sun is out and bright.
Let me say it again, even simpler.
Okay.
Windy, lots of wind. Cloudy, many clouds. Sunny, lots of sun.
Perfect. Easy meaning.
Now you try. Look outside or remember yesterday.
Choose one. It's windy, it's cloudy, or it's sunny. Seasons are also great for small talk.
Yes, people ask, what season do you like?
I like winter.
Really? Oh,
Why? I like cool air. I like warm tea, and I like cozy clothes.
I like summer. I feel more free. I can travel more.
That makes sense.
And I love long days. More sunlight.
Sometimes I miss winter from my hometown.
Aw, I understand. Missing a season feels sad sometimes.
Yes, a little.
You can share opinions gently, like, I like spring.
And you can agree. Me too.
Or disagree politely. Oh, I don't, but it's okay.
Now for you. Which season do you like? Think about it. Let's talk about the forecast, tomorrow, and the weekend.
Yes, I often check a weather app on my phone.
Same. So, tomorrow, I'll say, it will be sunny.
And if I'm not sure, I say, it might rain.
It will sounds more sure.
It might sounds less sure. Very easy.
Then we can plan clothes.
Like, it might rain, so I will take an umbrella.
Or travel plans. It will be hot, so we can go early.
And it's okay to be wrong about weather.
Yes, the goal is practicing English, not being perfect.
Now, key weather words and phrases. Slow and simple.
And you only need a few strong words to start talking. Sunny means the sun is out. Example, it's sunny. Let's walk to school.
Cloudy means many clouds.
Example, it's cloudy today. I will take a light jacket to work.
Windy means lots of wind.
Example, it's windy. My hair is crazy.
Rainy means it is raining a lot, or it feels like rain.
Example, it's rainy. I will stay home and study.
Hot means very warm.
Example, it's hot. Let's drink cold water.
Warm means nice and not too hot.
Example, it's warm. I can wear a t-shirt to meet my friend.
Cold means very cold.
Example, it's cold. I need a coat for work.
Cool means a little cold, not too cold.
Example, it's cool outside. I feel comfortable.
Forecast means the weather report for later.
Example, the forecast says rain, so I will bring an umbrella.
Phrase, what's the weather like?
That means, tell me about the weather.
Example, hi, what's the weather like today?
Phrase, it looks like rain. That means you think rain is coming.
Example, it looks like rain. Let's take a taxi. Now, softly, repeat once with us. Sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy.
Hot, warm, cold, cool. Forecast.
Great. A few words is enough.
Okay, let's recap. Nice and easy.
Today, we learned that weather is great small talk.
You can use it at school, at work, on a bus, or in a shop.
We practiced simple questions and short answers.
We also learned how to describe today's weather. Sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy. Simple words, real life.
And temperature words, hot, warm, cool, cold.
We talked about rain and plans, and how it's normal to change plans.
We also shared seasons, what we like, and how to agree or disagree politely.
And we practiced forecast talk. It will and it might for tomorrow.
You did small progress today.
That matters.
Yes, short sentences are real communication.
Mistakes are normal.
Practice makes speaking feel easier, little by little.
Question of the day. What's the weather like today where you live?
Model answers, it's sunny.
Or, it's cloudy and cool.
Or, it's rainy, so I will stay home.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please like, subscribe, and comment.
Keep practicing English every day. You've got this.